Hi, and it's that time of the year again when diesel heaters are back in demand. After about a week of waiting, my new diesel heater finally arrived and I paid around 120 euros for it. So let's open the package and take a look at what kind of diesel heater is inside this package. And now that the diesel heater is revealed, I can also reveal something else. This is actually the exact same diesel heater I already own. The reason I ordered the same model again is simple. I found that this heater is the best option for my needs in terms of features, performance and overall usability. What I really appreciate about this diesel heater is how easy it is to move from one place to another. It comes with a solid, sturdy carrying handle, making it practical for mobile use. The heater can be controlled directly from the built-in display panel through a mobile app on your phone or with the included remote control. And another extremely important feature is its flexible power options. This unit can run on a 12-volt battery, such a car battery, or directly from a wall outlet using the power adapter that comes with the device. And finally, one of the features I really like is the exhaust pipe design. The exhaust exits from the side of the diesel heater at a 90-degree angle. This makes it especially convenient if you want to route the exhaust through a wall. The angle is already optimized for a clean and practical installation. So, this is my new diesel heater, and it's exactly the same model as my previous one was. A diesel heater built in a toolbox style housing. For my needs, the design and features are currently spot on, which is why I chose to buy the same model again. One feature I really appreciate about this diesel heater is its enclosure design. Because the heater is built into this casing, and the casing has long sturdy legs. It leaves extra clearance underneath the unit. This means you don't necessarily need to build a separate stand or like a mounting platform. It can sit securely on its own while still allowing proper airflow and safe operation. Of course, different people have different requirements and this might not be the perfect choice for everyone, but for me this has been an excellent option and I have been extremely satisfied with its performance. So, thanks for watching, I wish you warm days and all the best. Bye.